So this is Sheikh Altaf and my team is Tech Assure. So I have developed an application where I have created the backend part and the MariaDB database and agentic AI. So that first, to have the demonstration purpose, first what we want to do is I want to run the backend part. Yeah. So it is running the backend part. Now then I will show you the database. What are the tables I have created. Yeah. Sure. Databases. So these are the tables I have created, databases I have created. So now RTGS. Okay, so now show tables. So these are the tables I have shown. First, what I will do is, yeah, select star uh, from user. So here we can see only the two users are there. Okay. So here we can see the two users are there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the new user so that I will show from the first onwards. Yeah, here don't have an account registered. Now here I will be registering my photo. Here Sheikh Altaf and mobile name something, and here please enter a valid number. Okay. Next it will show simulated mobile OTP, that is 1143, 114385. Then also next mail ID I will create. Yeah. So just an sample. So here again he will show the OTP thing and 543027. And if you click verify, now here I will show 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Sorry. So address LC here and here. So 847842. Once it's completed, if you click submit, so here it will create the user ID also. Now we'll see in the database. Yeah, new user ID has been created. Now what I will do is I will create RT. So welcome Sheikh Altaf. Yeah. Now here we can see I have just not done any complaints in nothing, and but here we can see yeah, show tables and select from grievance means complaints. Okay, sorry. Yeah, these are the 6 complaints are there. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to create a new complaint, suppose. And here another thing is, I'm just here you can see draft empty. So here automatically whatever they enter the data, it will automatically saves in the draft table. Suppose draft empty set, right? Select draft empty set. Now what I'm doing is, yeah, I have the electric power shortage issue. So what will here draft has been saved, so it will save automatically. If you see here from the network, we can see automatic for every 2 things the draft will be saving, and we can also it will save in the table also. Yeah, user ID keep on, it will say. Suppose if I do issue at my locality, okay, so it will automatically, we don't want to click nothing, it will automatically it will changes. And here what it will do is it Gemini AI clarify, so it will analyzes on what classification, on what issue this problem. See, electrical shortage, the street light outage, a complaint has been received regarding an electric power shortage affecting the specified locality. Investigation and corrective actions are required. Okay, so it will analyzes and it will give a complete like what to say information about on what basis the complaint is. Suppose if I'm telling Goodur, okay, and let me see whether it will also saves in the table or not, the location also. Yeah, it will also saves in the location. It will automatically it will uh, save. Suppose if I'm just refreshing, so if I click new a grievance, it will automatically shows. Now what I'm doing is, suppose now I have mentioned what electric power shortage, right? So now what I will do is, yeah, now what I will do is, suppose dogs problem, okay, so dogs problem, and I will be, yeah, saving dog, okay. Where save dog, and here what I will do is, yeah, now suppose I have added, so now what I'm doing is I'm just uploading the dog.jpg. So here we can see the backend part is running. Now if I click, it will analyzes the AI part whether the uploaded image is relevant to the problem which we have like what is submitted. Yeah, what is the submission rejected image validation file, the image shows dogs which is unrelated to the streetlight outage, content is unrelated to the electric streetlight, so it will doesn't allow the submit like what is it to do the submission, because the whatever the image we have submitted, it is unrelated. Now what I will do is, yeah, here, yeah, now transformers overload problem in streets. So what I will do is, yeah, trans overload short circuit in streets. What I will do, yeah, transformer. Now what I will do is, I will add now transformers submitting grievance. Yeah, what it will do, it has been submitted, so we can see here if you click the audit file, the like what to say the officer has to give the approval, okay. So if you see the table, wait a bit, and yeah, it has been approval. Now what we will see means, if you see, once if we submitted the grievance, the row from the draft will be deleted, and if we see the new like what is a grievance has been also uploaded, and also I will show tables and attachment. So new image has been attached, so in the folder and the under the complaint folder it has been attached. Now what I will do is, I will do the login session, and I will work as a officer. Now password. Now here if you will see that street light is outage, if you click the outage, so here you can also shows API dashboard like what is it, the API has been called, Now performing the now total assigns is 7, so everything it will fetch from the database, and 3 is pending, 3 fraud detected, which I also resolved. So for the detection purpose, now all these are actionable tasks which is in urgent thing. If you see the click details, it will also fetches this citizen contents from the database, and the other and complaint on what the proof it will be. Before proof, now this is the proof is there. Now if I click resolution, and here if you show here, what I will do is, suppose if I transformer repair, so repaired in whole. So yeah, repaired transformer. Okay, so what I will do, it has been solved, and if I click repaired transformer, now what I will do is, if I click submit, you can also see like what to say, it will also unlike with the API, it will just is committed to ledger, so it has been approved. So one resolve and it has been approved. You can see Kotturu. Yeah, close details. Yeah, which resolved. Yeah, the issue has been resolved. You can see the issue has been resolved. Yeah, 2 pending, 1 resolved, and 4 detected, 4 fraud detected. Which one? Why it is showing fraud detected? What we have done is, in the officer's dashboard we have just resolved the client issue. Now what we are doing is, just so yeah, we also creates 3 dashboards. Wait, this is one dashboard, and this is another dashboard, and this is third dashboard. So these are the 3 dashboards where we can see, suppose yeah, here in this dashboard was welcome Sheikh Altaf, this is one dashboard, and here these are the 3 like what to say, the problems that the complaints he has been done. Yeah, and we can also see the thing. Now what we are going to, suppose if you click view DL audit, here it will shows like what is the complete audit portal. If it is a fraud means it will shows what is the reason behind that. Suppose yeah, here now 2 only have done. Now if you click this one, here 3 has been issued, 1 is resolved, and here it can see it has been DLT verified, where road maintenance pathol citizens has been cleared, and it is a resolution proof where the officer had been submitted, and this is the client he has been created. And this is the third dashboard where he only 2 are there, and the 2 things where if it is a fraud thing, where the resolution proof on the citizen. And we also see the tables in the MySQL table, where all the data it will be saved here. This is the database, and the backend part is working here.
So yeah, here this is the backend part. Everything will be running. Suppose the complaints everything. Here in this part, the like what is the tables, whatever the tables it has been applied, like what to say created the data, everything it will be stored here. Suppose select star from resolution proof. So this is the resolution proof, like what to say, which officer has been resolved on the CV score, and this proof hash. This is the hash we want to do.